Are you ready to break free from the limitations of tokens length in language models? Imagine having the power to scale your models to over 1 billion tokens without sacrificing performance on shorter sequences. Well, guess what? I'm about to introduce you to a game-changing transformer variant called LongNet. Microsoft just dropped a new research paper. The research paper introduces a transformer variant called LongNet, which addresses the challenge of scaling sequence length in large language models. It highlights that existing methods face difficulties in terms of computational complexity or model expressivity, leading to restricted maximum sequence lengths. LongNet, on the other hand, enables the scaling of sequence length to more than 1 billion tokens without sacrificing performance on shorter sequences. So, how do they do it? As language models have grown larger and more powerful, scaling sequence length has become a critical demand. But here's the problem. Existing methods have been struggling. They either face computational complexity issues or hit a wall when it comes to model expressivity. That means the maximum sequence length we can handle is seriously restricted. Linear computation complexity refers to the computational efficiency of an algorithm or model, where the time or resources required for computation scale linearly with the input size. In the context of language models and sequence processing, linear computation complexity is desirable because it allows for efficient handling of long sequences without a significant increase in computational resources. In the case of LongNet, the researchers introduced dilated attention as a mechanism to achieve linear computation complexity. Dilated attention expands the attentive field exponentially as the distance between tokens increases. This means that the amount of computation required to process a token grows linearly with its distance from other tokens, rather than quadratically, as in standard self-attention mechanisms. It allows us to scale sequence length to over 1 billion tokens without sacrificing performance on shorter sequences. Let's talk about the amazing advantages LongNet brings to the table. First and foremost, it offers linear computation complexity. That means we can efficiently handle long sequences without breaking a sweat. And here's the exciting part. LongNet can serve as a distributed trainer for those incredibly long sequences. With its power, we can train models with sequence lengths reaching 1 billion tokens or more using distributed systems. Talk about taking things to the next level. Now, here's the beauty of LongNet. Its dilated attention seamlessly integrates with existing transformer-based optimization techniques. It's like a drop-in replacement for standard attention, allowing for easy adoption and compatibility with established practices. No need to start from scratch. LongNet has got your back. You're probably wondering, does LongNet deliver the goods in terms of performance? Absolutely. Experimental results have shown that LongNet outperforms vanilla transformers and sparse transformers in both long sequence modeling and general language tasks. Furthermore, the paper discusses the motivation behind scaling neural networks, emphasizing the benefits of longer sequence lengths. Longer contexts provide larger memory and receptive fields for models to interact with human and world inputs, capture complex causality and reasoning paths, and explore in-context learning for improved generalization and catastrophic forgetting alleviation. With LongNet, we're pushing the boundaries of in-context learning and exploring the possibilities of treating a whole corpus or even the entire internet as a sequence. The future of language modeling looks brighter than ever, and that's a wrap, my friends. We've explored the incredible LongNet, the transformer variant that's breaking free from the limitations of tokens length. Now it's your turn to take this knowledge and unleash the true power of your language models. Embrace LongNet, dive into dilated attention, and let your models soar to new heights. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more exciting content, and remember, the only limit to your language modeling journey is your imagination. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome.